Question number 12. A cyclic process for an ideal gas is shown. The cycle has three stages. Isovolumetric. What is isovolumetric? Volume is equal to a constant. Adiabatic. What is adiabatic? Q is equal to a constant. What is isothermal? Temperature equal to a constant. Okay. Work is done on the gas during the isothermal stage, and this is what has been shown. Which stage is isothermal? What is the direction of the isothermal process? Now, what can be easily identified from here, from the PV diagram? Now you see, whichever is a constant, that can be easily identified. See here, all the three are constant. But what is visible to us? This is visible to us. See, this line is visible to us. See, you see, this volume here, let us say it is V1. Here also it is V1 only. The x coordinate is volume. Volume will not change. Okay, volume is not changing. So this is definitely your isovolumetric process. Now from these graphs, which one is isothermal? Which one is adiabatic? See, when you have two curves, one goes like this, the other one goes like this. Which is the more steeper one? This is the more steeper one, and this is what you call as an adiabatic, and this is what you call as an isothermal. Okay. So therefore, from these graphs, see, one graph is like this, other graph is like this. What can confuse you is that, see here, both the graphs are joining at the same point. Okay. Now let us say, for example, if I am drawing like this, one graph is going like this, okay, other graph is going like this, other graph is going like this over here. So here it's going from the top. Okay. So therefore, now you see, this is now more steeper as compared to this one. These values are now less steeper over here. So thus you can see that this could be an adiabatic and this could be your iso. Okay. And then he's also asking you direction of the cyclic process. Okay, so direction of the cyclic process is always, it goes in this direction. So initially you see there's a volume expansion, pressure decreasing. Okay, volume expansion, pressure decreasing, and then you get once again volume compression, pressure increasing, and after that, okay, volume remains a constant and pressure increasing. That's what is busy. Okay, so towards it, now what we do is, let us look at this. So if I say this is my direction, so this is your clockwise direction. So clockwise, the process is cyclic. So these two are incorrect. And then which is your isotherm? Isotherm is the stage Z. So therefore the answer is D.